Mastering API limiting before it's too late. My name is Alisol and I want to introduce rate limiting in 2 minutes to you. If your API gets popular, it will get abused. Rate limiting is how you stay alive. Rate limiting means a client can only make n requests per time window. It protects your database, keeps latency stable, and makes your system fair. Imagine you have like an endpoint. Without limits, someone can brute force passwords or just spam requests and slow down everyone. A simple rule like 10 requests per minute per user already removes most of the pain. The common mistake is using a single server memory counter. It works in dev, but breaks in production when you have multiple instances behind the load balancer. No, each server thinks the user still has fresh limits. You can use a shared store like Redis. Pick a strategy. Fixed window is easiest, but it can allow pairs at the boundary. Token bucket smooth pairs. Tokens refill over time. Each request costs 1 token. And when the user hits the limit, return HTTP 429 and ideally a retry-after header. That's rate limiting in under 2 minutes. I keep my full notes and summaries in LearnHub GitHub repository. It's free and open source. Check it out and use it with AI-powered features if you're preparing for backend interviews. Good luck.